Okay, we will discuss about get a loan with a bad credit granted. Get a loan. How you can get a loan with extremely bad credit? Bad credit loan are designated for people with a credit report that less than spotless or who have a little no credit history. These loans typically have higher interest rate and greater restriction than other loans, as this helps lenders reduce the risk of you not paying them back. How to get a loan with bad credit easy. Loan for people with bad credit. Payday loans. Payday lenders typically do not look at your credit when it deciding if you are eligible for a loan. Car title loan are also short-term loan that may be for optional for the people with bad credit. Personal loan number 4, peer-to-peer lending, payday alternative loans. Can I get a loan with 500 credit score? Lenders may accept borrowers with a 500 credit score, but it accepts to meet additional criteria such as minimum income or employment history. Looking into fees and interest rate. Ask about fees and interest rate you might pay if you get a loan. What is the lowest credit score to borrow? Payment history is weighed the most heavily in determining your credit score along with your total outstanding debt. Generally, borrowers need a credit score at least 610 and 640 to even qualify for a personal loan. To qualify for a lender's lowest interest rate, borrowers typically need a score at least 690. Can I borrow 10k with a bad credit? Getting a loan of any size hard with a bad credit, but 1 lakh dollar may be reasonable amount to request if it really depends on how bad your credit is and what is on your credit report. If you have recently borrowed money and failed to repay, you probably will not qualify for financing. What is the easiest loan approval? Some of the easiest loan to get approved for include payday loan, no credit check loan, and pawn shop loan. Personal loan with essentially no approval requirement typically charge the highest interest rate and loan fees. What can I get with a 300 credit score? Typ- Types of credit do you qualify? Secured credit, yes. Unsecured credit card, no. Personal loan, no. Auto loan, no. How do I borrow money from a cash app? Open cash app. Number two, tap on the home screen icon if necessary to navigate to the banking headers. Check the word borrow. If you see borrow, you can take out a cash app loan. Tap on borrow. Tap on lock. Number 7, cashback with will tell you how much you shall be able to borrow. What credit score I need for a $5,000 loan? Requirement for a $5,000 loan by vary by leader. Vary by leader. In a general, you should have at least fair credit. which is score of 580 or above. Lenders may also look at other factors such as your income, your debit to income ratio (DTI) during the application processes. How can I borrow money from myself? Pass, Passbook loan, sometimes called pledge saving loan, or a type of secured loan that uses your saving account balance as collateral. These loans are offered by a financial institution like banks and credit unions and also be a conventional way to borrow money while rebuilding your credit. What is a starter loan? Starter loan are a personal loan targeted to the people who have not used credit before or who have poor credit. Lender may market these loans as solution to help people build credit. You may have also heard of credit builder loan. Can I get a loan with 300 credit score? If you have a bad credit history or low credit score, it can be difficult to be accepted for a personal loan. There are specialist bad credit lenders, but if you are accepted for a loan, you are likely to only to be able to borrow as a small sum and the interest rate will be high. How can I get a 1 lakh dollar loan fast? You have several different types of lenders available when applying for a thousand $10,000 personal loan, including online